How to check storage space on iPhone. Tap on Settings button. It brings to this interface. Then scroll up a bit. Tap on General. Now it brings to this interface. Now you see iPhone storage. Tap on it. Now that I've tapped on iPhone storage, here at the top you see the storage space on your iPhone. Here you have the application, photo, message, podcast, iOS, and system data. In total, guys, you can see I still have about 181.92 gigabytes as a free space on my iPhone. Then if you scroll up a bit, you have access to devices that cover more or that uses more of the space on your iPhone. Here my photo is taking about 4 gig or about 5 gig rather. WhatsApp taking about 3.8 gig and on like that. So you can free up space on your device. For example, let me tap on CapCut. If you tap on it, it comes out like this, and you have two options here. The first is to delete the apps, and the second is to offload the apps. So if you delete this app, this will delete the apps and all related data from the iPhone. This action can't be undone. So once you tap on delete, it means you delete the apps from your device and it cannot be undone. But if you upload this app, this will free up space used by the apps, but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the apps will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So that is the difference between the two information you see here, guys. So that is all the simple process, guys, on how to share this storage space on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.